It's morning time. It's almost 7 o'clock. I'm in my way there. Traveling alone is not easy because I'm a talker, and there's so much you can talk to yourself about. And if you start answering yourself, so it's best to travel with somebody else. But this is what we got, so I gotta entertain myself. All right, so here we are. The water looks very calm, as you guys can see, but that's gonna change. So we got some jet skis here. These racers are usually a little quieter. The November race is the big race, so we're gonna have the same turnout as last time, so should be pretty good. So here we are, ready to get on the ski. Here's the man, the legend, MVP, baby!
Look who we got here. What's up, bro?
What's up, buddy?
Good to see you.
Yeah.
We're here too early.
I know.
I guess. But stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. You're gonna see some action today. I promise.
Oh yeah.
What's up, bro?
And just like that, Angelica just won stock class. She's good, I always said it. Angelica is a force to be reckoned with. She just won. Congratulations. All right, so let's go talk to the winner, Angelica. So, how did it go? Another day at the office?
Pretty good. Pretty good. What can I say?
You did good.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm beaten all the way to the end.
Yeah, it's still on the stock ski.
Yeah.
Racing every single class for fun.
Cool.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah. And that is what it's all about.
And that is what it's all about.
There we go. Family! That was a red light. But I think she won. I had to get it on the video. Ready. Go. You just won that.
finds himself in a very unfamiliar place, the consolation bracket. His first loss in the spec class in 2021.
And that was the end of spec class. They got first place and second place, and I got third place. So that's how it played out. You never know. Everybody's pretty competitive in this sport, so you just never know what's going to happen. So lesson for me, learn. Did a few mistakes, gotta learn and just keep going, you know?
Háblame el video, que te salude en el video, te salude a la cámara.
He said hi to the camera when we're on the launch pad. So I race against you and I beat you once because you jumped. You got, and then on the second round you didn't jump and you beat me. See? Hey, that's the way it is. This is how competitive these skis are. You never know. You know, I cannot have a big head and say, oh, I'm the fastest. Because look at him. He was making mistakes. He corrected his mistakes and you beat me. But on the final, you made the same mistake again. Yeah. Damn, Rocky. That's the way it is. Congratulations for him for winning spec class, which is a very tough class. I mean, from now on, all the classes get tough. So, congratulations. Okay, so I noticed something. If you look at my face, I'm not sweating. Why are you sweating? Can you explain that to me?
It's too hot out there. I couldn't even finish my drink. It got so hot I couldn't even finish it up.
This man will do anything for a shot. He's been on the sun all day long, all day long.
It is for the sport, man. It is
I
for
know.
the sport, you know. The love
You're
for the
awesome.
sport takes me, you know, to another level.
Yeah.
This is what I do.
MVP. Make sure you guys check him out.
Check me out on
Because
Instagram.
He's the only one that does this, so you don't have a choice. You want a good picture of Jetski? You gotta go to him.
Be safe, guys. See you all tomorrow, okay?
Yep.
Stay tuned.
1, 2, 3.
Ahí, que no explote, que no explote, que no explote.
Hey, everybody celebrates a different way. That was cool that they invited me for that. So, hey, listen, my mistake, he won, but that doesn't mean nothing. His ski is fast. In my opinion,
Jetski is fast too.
yeah, it's gonna be a good race.
Yes.
All right, guys, so today is Monday, the day to see all the damage. So, as you guys know, I got third place in my class. Barely got third place. As the day started, and I started strong, and then it just started slowing down. And I was like, oh, I know what it is. I know it's a supercharger, and I barely made it. So I want to show you guys today what happened. So this is my supercharger. A lot of you guys think that I got a special supercharger that's making 30 pounds of boost and I got special parts. No, I got the same thing as everybody else. I barely made between 21 or like most of the time 21 pounds when it's good, and then when it's really good I make like 23, and this is supposed to be a 25-pound supercharger. It's not 25. I never seen 25. So this is it. It's a water-cooled supercharger, and it's just a normal supercharger. This is a stock supercharger here, and this is my supercharger. So as you can see, this gear here is completely dark, and it heated up so bad that it actually started heating up the gear. And now this one is the normal color, how it's supposed to be, this one here. So if you look at the stock charger, they're both the same colors, nice and beautiful. So when we try, if we put this to lock, you see how easy it goes in? Now we try to do that to this one, it gets stuck right there, see? That's because, I mean, I can't even so all right, that's because this clutch here got completely wore out to the point where I'm scared of running this, because what happens is it gets so heated up that it welds itself, and then this whole assembly here will break off. And when that happens, you know, you're done. It's disaster. And then you get more problems. You know, you can mess up your flight wheel. I mean, so much can happen when you got something foreign inside the motor jumping around and getting eaten by all the gears. So that's what happened. That's why I couldn't race on Sunday. It was a very small event because it's July, it's hot, people don't want to go, and people are getting ready for the November race, which is the big race, and that's the one that you guys should go. But overall, the weekend was nice. It was a small event, but it was nice. You know, you get to meet people and just do. I get to do what I like. So maybe I see you guys on the next one. Fearless.